Finding a home on the public market today often means competing with dozens of other buyers and driving the price far above what the property is actually worth. The real secret to finding a bargain is looking for off-market deals where the seller hasn't yet listed the home on the MLS or major real estate websites. Wholesalers are professional hunters who find distressed properties at deep discounts and then sell those contracts to buyers for a small assignment fee. You should also look into pocket listings by asking local real estate agents about upcoming homes that are being marketed privately within their own brokerage. Direct mail marketing allows you to send letters to homeowners in your favorite neighborhood to see if they would be interested in a cash offer without a public listing. Driving for dollars is a simple but effective strategy where you look for vacant or neglected houses in your target area and contact the owners directly. Estate sales and probate listings are another overlooked source where families are often motivated to sell a property quickly to settle an inheritance. Visit homebuyingrealty.com to download our off-market lead tracker and start finding the hidden gems in your local neighborhood today.